In this video, I'm showing you my new tool inside NVIDIA USD Composer. At the beginning, I first define the area that should actually be monitored. For that, I create a grid that can be freely adjusted in both size and position. After that, I move straight into the actual layout process and start placing different objects inside the hall. This immediately creates a first realistic occupancy setup in the 3D space. While I'm positioning the equipment, the live clash detection is already running in the background. That means the system instantly recognizes which areas are already occupied. One of the strongest features of this tool is that existing planning setups can easily be duplicated across additional calendar weeks. So if a certain hall layout stays the same for multiple weeks, there is no need to rebuild everything from scratch every single time. Using the preview function, I can then easily switch through the individual calendar weeks and instantly see what the hall looks like at that point in time. On top of that, the tool also provides evaluations with preview images, so you can immediately see how heavily the hall is being used in each week. As the workflow continues, I expand the layout by adding even more equipment. The cool thing is that the system is completely flexible. It is not limited to one specific type of object. Whether it is pallets, vehicles, or other assets like a Porsche or a classic car, everything can be integrated into the 3D space planning. In the end, this creates a complete 3D space management tool that combines multiple functions in one solution: 3D positioning, calendar week planning, multi-user saving. That means it is not only possible to document what is placed where, but also to identify early on when the space becomes too full, where critical overlaps occur, and when planning adjustments are needed. If you're interested in NVIDIA topics like this, extensions, and 3D workflows, make sure to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for more content.